Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn with AR. Today's topic is related to linguistics and scope of linguistics, one of the most important topics. I have recently made another video about linguistics and its branches. Link is in description. Watch that video as well. That's also helpful. So let's get started. That what is linguistics? So linguistics is actually the scientific study of language and its structure. Okay, every language has its own structure. For example, English, what is the structure of English? Like subject plus verb plus object. The same, if you speak any language, that language has its own structure. So it involves analyzing language form, okay, like meaning and usage, how you use your language, how the English language is used, like where to use verb and where to use subject, where to use object, or how to use it, how to use subject, how to use verb, and how to use object. It's all about your own language as well. So examples of linguistic concepts include like phonetics. As I said that I have recently made one video about linguistics. So these are actually the branches of linguistics like phonetics, morphology, like syntax. These all are pragmatics. These all are actually the types of linguistics. So watch that video, link is in description. Phonetics, so phonetics, what does it mean? Like it's all about speech sounds. Syntax, it's all about sentence structure. It means in syntax we discuss about sentence structure. Then we have semantics, it's all about meaning of words. Then we have pragmatics, meaning in context. So let's take a look at syntax, which is about how words are arranged to form sentences. It means if we talk about syntax, that what is syntax? A syntax is all about how words are arranged to form sentences. In English, a basic sentence follows a subject, verb, object. It means if we talk about English, so what is the concept of English, or what's the structure of English, how the words are arranged? So like we put the subject at the start, then verb, then object. Here we have like subject, verb, and object. Structure, like the cat is what subject, chased is what verb, and the mouse, the cat chased the mouse. So here the cat is what subject, chased is what verb, and the mouse is actually object. Syntax helps us understand how words come together to create meaningful sentences. Now, this question may be in your mind that what is the concept of, or what is the scope of linguistics? So actually the scope of linguistics is broad and covers various aspects of language. Here are a few key areas within the scope of linguistics with examples. For example, phonetics. So phonetics is what? Examines the physical properties of speech sounds, like analyzing the difference between the sounds of p and b. So there are another words like k, g, d. So these all comes in the category of phonetics. Syntax. What does syntax mean? Syntax is all about studies, sentence structure, and word order. For example, investigating how changing word order affects meaning, as in the cat chased the dog versus the dog chased the cat. So like how it affects the meaning. So these all things are actually discussed in syntax. Semantics. Semantics is the third type, focuses on the meaning of words and sentence. Example, exploring the nuances of the word bright in different contexts, such as bright student versus bright light. Then we have morphology. Morphology is all about it. It actually investigates the structure and formation of words. For example, breaking down the word unhappiness into its morphemes, like un is negation, happy, and ness is noun forming. The same we have that pragmatics. Pragmatics is actually like studies language used in context, how the language is used in context. Here we have an example, understanding how the meaning of can you pass the salt. Okay, so can may vary based on the situation and relationship between the speakers. If you are with your friend and if you say to them, if you say to him or her that can you pass the salt, so it creates a different situation. Okay, then we have psycholinguistics. It explores actually the cognitive process involved in language acquisition and comprehension. For example, studying how children acquire language skills and form grammatical structures. Then in this like psycholinguistic, there are theories also, like a mentalist theory, and the other we have that structuralist theory. There are many other theories related to it. Socio-linguistics, it examines, actually by the name you can easily guess that it's all about society. So it actually examines the relationship between language and social factors. It means it's all about society, this language which is used in society. Example we are having that is investigating how language varies across different social groups or regions, like regional accents. For example, if you are from the other village, and the other guy who is beside you, he's from another village, so there is a huge difference between him or you, like his accent will be different and your accent will be different. Maybe like some words which are used in his village or in her village, and those words might not be used in your village. Computational linguistics, it involves the application of computer science to analyze and process language. For example, developing natural language processing algorithms for voice recognition or machine translation. So actually, video ends here. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If this video has sparked your interest, I request you, suggest you to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to the channel.